Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the world of YouTube ads, specifically two key metrics that can leave creators scratching their heads: CTR and CPM. Fear not, content creators, this video will explain what CTR and what CPM means, why they matters and how they work together to show the effectiveness of your ads or the ad display on your videos. CTR, clicks that count. Let's start with CTR, which stands for click through rate. Imagine this: you see a cool ad for a new gadget while watching a video. You click on it to learn more. That's a click through. What is measures? CTR is the percentage of people who see your ad and actually click on it. How it calculate? We take the number of clicks your ad gets and divided it by the number of times it's shown, then we multiply that number by 100 to get a percentage. For example, if your ad gets shown 1000 time impression and 50 people click on it, your CTR would be 5%. 50 clicks divided by 1000 impression. Why CTR matters for you? A high CTR is a good sign. It means your ad is grabbing attention and getting people interested in what you are offering. For advertiser, a high CTR shows their ads is reaching the right audience and effectively converting viewers into potential customer. Now let's talk about CPM, cost per thousand views. CPM stands for cost per mile, with mile being Latin for thousand. This metric deals with how much you pay to get your ad seen. What it represents: imagine you set a budget for your ad campaign. CPM tells how much it costs to reach 1000 viewers with your ad. The bidding game. Advertiser bid on ad space on YouTube. The winning bid determines the CPM for each impression. Why CPM matters for you, an advertiser? A low CPM is generally better. It means you are reaching more viewers for your advertising budget. For advertiser, a good balance between CTR and CPM is ideal. They want a high click-through rate but a reasonable cost. CTR CPM working together for success. Here where things get interesting. Imagine an ad with a high CTR but a super expensive CPM. It might be reaching the right audience but costing a fortune. On the other hand, a low CTR with a low CPM might seem cheap, but if no one clicks, it's not very effective. The ideal scenario is high CTR paired with a reasonable CPM. This means your ad is both eye-catching and cost-effective, reaching relevant audience who clicks through. For creators, how this applies to you: while you don't directly control the CTR or CPM of ads display on your videos, understand these metrics can be helpful. High ad CTR on your channel might suggest your content is engaging and align well with advertiser targets, potentially leading to more ad revenue in your future. Do you have any question about YouTube ads or other YouTube metrics? Leave a comment below and let's chat. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful YouTube tips. We are going to continue this series video about YouTube course, so stay with us for more learning videos.